Maya.
Here you go.
Are you ready? Okay. We have to do our, we get free eggs, so we have to do our share of feeding the chickens.
Yes, with shells.
Yes.
Pea shells.
Yeah. You have to be careful, they'll come flying out of here. So you gotta kind of chase them out of the way. Get out of the way, you guys. You see that, John?
Yeah. Okay. Two black ones. Oh, three black
Seems
ones. And the rest
oh, yeah,
are
look at them
white.
dig in.
Yeah. Oh, they like it. Nice.
They love it.
Good.
Maya is wondering what the hell is going on here. Maya, yeah.
Done?
Well, I think so.
Prince is here.
The prince.
And this is my
Prince Andrea.
Ah.
Okay, so
Okay,
I'm
what's
preparing
up?
some sausage and bacon with onion in the middle.
Up there now?
Yeah.
Right now? Oh, okay.
Well done. I gotta go see the barbecue. Joe, look at this.
Non vai di barbecue, no, mi devi
I just want to look. Here, Joe, look.
adotta.
Oh.
Wow.
Ma mi devi fare i pomodori. Aspetta, aspetta.
Very nice.
Oggi è 22-23.
Okay.
Dove
Gelato.
vai? Dove vai?
Gelato.
No!
What?
Where's the salad?
No, I have to go.
Le pasta, perciò...
Tomato salad.
What am I doing? Am I cutting?
Ora arriva il momento...
Oh,
Quanti ne
you-
facciamo?
okay.
Artichoke?
Artichoke.
Oh, artichokes. Yes.
Yes.
please.
And for you? Non for me.
Yes, we love.
Yes.
We love. We
Oh,
Ne
love.
facciamo uno ciascuno?
Sì, sì.
Allora, siamo 1, 2, 3, 4, niente.
Ciao. Laura's friends. Laura's friends from
Where's Andrea?
Come sa i
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
from Sicily.
Oh, you bought them like that?
Yes.
Where did you buy those?
So I bought this in Puntalazzo. This
Look,
one is
okay.
bacon and this one is onion.
From Michaela?
From Michele.
Ah, okay.
From Michele. Those are amazing because they are very fat,
Oh.
tasty, but I don't like it.
Oh, me too. I love those. It's unbelievable.
Yeah? No, Lara, she's addicted.
She doesn't like?
Yeah, she liked. She's addicted. She
But she's addicted.
addicted.
Okay, very good. She's addicted to you, no?
I hope so.
No? Me too.
Yeah, because
Oh.
there is this guy. There is oil, no?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay,
Put rosemary on. Oh, you can smell the rosemary right away. Perfect.
Orazio.
Orazio. Oh, look at this. Ah,
La 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 la. She's coming.
yes. Ciao.
Okay.
That beer is from Belgium.
Okay.
Fantastic.
How do we
Dark.
open this?
I'll show you.
Oh shit! I can't open. E i giorni e gli anni passano. Occhio perché esplode. Ora ci penso io.
You need what? You need a opener. First, you rub the barbecue with some lemon, right?
Yes. Lemon.
Lemon. And put a little, and of course she puts a little bit of rosemary underneath. Oh, wow, I love this.
John went to get the opener.
Yes. The opener, yes.
Brindisi coi bicchieri colmi d'acqua.
I agree with you. Whatever the hell you were saying, I agree with you.
Povera innocente.
Hello!
Yes.
This beer is from Belgium. It's dark, beautiful Belgian beer.
And the best beer in Sicily.
Yeah, it's very good. It's got a molassesy
Listen
flavor.
To it pop.
Hey.
A nice pop.
Yes. Look at the
1
sun.
inch.
Look.
Perfect.
And dark.
Perfect.
Yes, you see it dark?
It's
Yeah,
quite
nice.
dark.
It is. It tastes very molassesy.
Dove me la sia, va bene. Andrea.
Andrea.
Cheers.
Skål.
Skål.
Whoa.
Słońca.
Ah,
Dzień
hey,
dobry.
Dusha Dobra. Cheers!
Drink up. It must be good.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, it is nice. Because the taste is not so strong
But did you even taste it?
and full the
Did
mouth.
you taste it?
Huh?
Did you taste it? Or did it just go down?
No, went to here.
Did it? Would you like to taste it a little more?
I want to taste it now.
Really? Now you want to taste it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're such a bullshitter.
In front of me.
They were made this morning in front of them.
And is this the pork and what?
Pork
condita?
no. It's just pepper and salt.
Salt
And pork.
Salt
Yeah,
and pepper.
yeah.
Pork, salt, and pepper. That's
Pork,
it.
Salt and pepper.
And no, nothing.
Manually chopped.
Ah. Oh,
Almost ready.
almost ready?
Yeah.
And those artichokes.
Non ci vuole una cavola cavola. Minchia che
The smell. Oh, wonderful.
Share, ragazzi. Share with.
Share with the old man. Share with the old man.
Caponata.
Caponata,
Okay, with
pepper,
red peppers
red pepper or yellow pepper,
or whatever. Just
or
pepper, bell peppers.
aubergine,
Aubergine, yes.
onion,
Onion. Oh, okay.
a little water and a little tomato sauce.
Sauce. Okay. Like the one that you always buy, the sauce.
Sauce. Ora lui butta l'acqua, the water.
Always salt, pepper too, yes? Black pepper, no?
Dopo.
Dopo. Later. Okay, later. Yeah.
Later mettiamo oil,
Yes.
Salt.
Yes. How long do you do
e
this?
vinegar.
Yeah. How long for this?
Ora
About
20 minuti.
20 minutes? Okay.
Yes.
15, 20 minutes.
Sì.
Ah, look at that, John. Doesn't that look good? And then later on you make this
Questa pasta per la ricotta.
and the ricotta.
Ricotta. Qua-
Fresh ricotta.
Poi abbiamo fatto ricotta con cacao and sugar.
Yeah, that's for dessert.
Dark cacao, yes.
Yes. Perfect.
Poi abbiamo comprato, tu hai comprato agnello.
Oh, is that the lamb?
Yes, for Pasqua. Ora io lo metto in freezer,
Yes.
lo
Oh,
mariniamo.
marinate here.
In the morning, the Sunday, Pasqua Sunday, tomato ciliegino, cipolla, patate, white wine, salt and pepper. Stop.
And then we
In the
marinate,
oven.
and we marinate for 24 hours.
Sì, il giorno prima, no?
Yes,
Lo mariniamo il giorno prima. Thank you.
Is this from Presa?
Sì,
The pani
presa.
from Presa?
Sì.
And the cheese?
Cheese on the Nunziata.
Where's the Raggiano?
Parmigiana.
Where's from? What? Oh, I thought that was from northern Italy. No.
This Parmigiana and
Where's from Giacomo?
quella è Parmigiana.
Oh, Parmesan. Okay. All right. Okay, so back in. Drain, back in. Okay. But just no salt, no pepper? No.
Pepper black.
Oh, black.
Mettiamo un po'.
Ah. No problem.
Are you sending this to
Black
someone?
pepper.
Yes.
Ok.
That's it. That little black pepper.
Little bit.
Oh, okay.
E solo il profumo.
Sono troppo belli. Io ho il classico.
Oh, now you.
Due-
That's ready to go, Lara?
Sì, glielo dici se mi aiutano?
Okay. Ciao. Here comes the king of barbecue, Andrea. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Oh, yes. Perfecto.
Calda.
Oh,
Mettici
yeah.
questo tovagliolo.
These are Lara's girlfriends from Comso,
Le vogliamo bruciare, eh?
and she brings them in so that she has a little bit more help because we're all Sicilians from Reposto, no?
Lore, buonissima.
Artichokes.
Andrea's artichokes on the barbecue, no?
The barbecue.
Artichokes.
Oh,
Siccome c'è
we're
Old
talking.
way methods.
Anche la cipollina.
You imagine?
questo che è bello cotto mi piace, grazie.
Brava, anche a me piace bello cotto.
E dammi che ti do.
Gli diamo un weekend e quello deve essere. E quindi non ti lo